So if your AI music is still a little flat, I'm going to give you a 5-second prompt. You don't need 10 paragraphs, 5-second prompt that's going to automatically make your music just feel better, feel more human. And I do it with what I call my 3 E's. That's it. 3 simple letters. E, E, E. Let's jump right in. The first one is era. And that is that time frame that you're trying to capture. Instead of just saying to Suno or Song or whatever you're using, hey, create a pop song. Being really specific on the era. So, for example, you might say, I want the song in the style of 80s hair metal, or I'm a big fan of 90s hip hop. Maybe you're taking it back to a stay level 70s disco, or more of the singer songwriter from the 70s, right? Because if you just said a 70s song, there's a lot of different types of styles, or 80s or 90s or 50s doo-wop. Now, I caution you, legally, ethically, you should not be using real artist names. Like, you shouldn't be saying, hey, make it sound like Bon Jovi or Elvis or, Madonna or Whitney. Like, you shouldn't be doing that. Not that you can, because most software like Suno don't let you do that. The minute you use one of their names in the prompt, it flags it, says you can't use it. But you can emulate styles from an era. So we start with that first E, which is era. And the second one is the energy. Now, this is the energy that you want AI to feel. Now, obviously, you're like, well, Ryan, AI it's a machine. It doesn't have feelings. I get it. But what you want to do is feed it words that so it could kind of get a feel for the emotion that you want to portray. So this is for AI. So for example, you might say the emotion is dreamy. Right? Because if you just say, again, use an example, I want a pop song, well, what does that mean? If I say I want a dreamy pop song, 80s pop song, now all of a sudden it has a different feel, right? Or I want a groovy 70s dance song or something intense or face melt. It's going to get you better results with that sound you're looking for. And number 3, this is the emotion. This is how you want the listener to feel. That person who is listening to your music, whether they're listening on Spotify or Apple Music or YouTube Music, how do you want them to feel? And I love the word feel because it takes it beyond just lyrics or even a groove. So we're talking about words like, do you want them to feel joy? Because joy, when you think of joy, you think of like sunshine and smile, shiny, happy people, or resilience. That feeling of, oh yeah, I could take on the world. Let's go. I got this. Right? Or maybe a sense of nostalgia, looking back in the song that reminds them of when they were younger, or a different time and place. There's just this emotional depth to it. Now, here's the prompt I promised you. This is a starter prompt. Okay. So here's a caveat. I don't just use this prompt. My prompts go pretty deep when I'm working on lyrics and going back and forth and all of that stuff. But what I'm going to give you right now is a really good starter way to get out of flat, make me a pop song, or create a country song, or trying to cheat the system and say, make me a country song that sounds like, Garth Brooks. You can't do anyway. But here's the prompt. Catchy, emotional chorus with a era feel. And so an 80s synth feel, a 70s classic feel, a energy groove. So a face melting groove, right? Where it's like a little bit more of the metal type stuff. Built around the feeling of joy, built around the feeling of nostalgia, excitement. Hook repeats, keep it simple and melodic. So and I'm going to post this prompt down in the comments below. And by the way, I created a full custom GPT where it humanizes everything, whether it's lyrics or email or sales pages, whatever you're doing for your business or your creativity. It's completely free. Just go to ryanlee.com and you get the entire prompt, and it just humanizes it and adds warmth and soul to AI. So now let's have some fun. I want to show you this in action. This is a song I created with AI for my record label, Grant Street Records, which is I completely built by myself here in my studio basement. and it has a retro feel. It's an alternate timeline. I have hundreds of songs by fictional bands. And here's one I created. And I'll take you through the three E's and we'll hear how it sounds as well. So the first was the first era. I said, okay, this song, 80s rock, not 80s pop, not 80s dance, not 80s R&B. I wanted a straight up rock song. So that was the era. Then what's the energy? I wanted a driving energy to it, not slow, not a slow build. I wanted to hit the gas from the start. So it's a driving feel to it. And finally, the emotion is grit, is resilience, it's feeling of having a comeback and never giving up. So the song that hits all these notes with the era, the energy, the emotion is called Never Back Down with Jen Parker. So let's take a quick listen.
Won't fall, I stand my ground. Never back down, I'm fire, I'm steel. Never back down, I cut, I heal. Never back down, I own this crown. Never back down, never back down.
Oh yeah, we are never backing down. If you like this, can you just do me, it takes 2 seconds this favor. Just like it and hit subscribe because I have so much more that we're going to be talking about creating AI with soul and building. And I'm going to share all the stuff I'm doing with Great Street Records and building an alternate universe and all the other businesses I run. So like and subscribe and stick around and let's watch the next video.